So you need to always think upward as well as downward thinking. A downward thinking means if there is a problem, you have to have a solution. But in upward thinking, you must think of if the problem shouldn't arise itself. It has to be resolved permanently. Now with my professional career, as even Mr. Harish has said rightly, we look for professional people, but we didn't find the right candidate. What is that missing? That missing is the knowledge which you have earned during academics has to be communicated. The prime factor for the success or failure is a decision-making ability. I think there are only two possibilities: a right decision or wrong decision. Now, if you take a right decision, you will be successful. If you take wrong decisions, you will be failure. Now, then which are the factors which are responsible for decision making? Now, I think the knowledge, unless and until you have knowledge with you, you can't take a decision. Of course, experience also required along with that. Now, this knowledge and experience depends on your thinking ability. Now, that is another prime factor which makes you a success or failure. Your thought process, which is nothing but your attitude and approach. One of the philosophers has greatly said that you must have hunger in belly and fire in mind. Now, if you could take an example of Dhirubhai Ambani, he was just an ordinary worker in petrol pump. Then how could he able to build such a big empire? Like that, Steve Jobs, he made a big company like Apple. If you could look at their entire career, they were passionate, they were mad, they had a vision to achieve, be a successful with all odds. Now there is a saying, there is one couplets of Goliath. Now what he says, ki all acts and preferences comes to a single point. If you decide, the boldness has got a magic and power in it. That means if you are determined, if you are committed, then all the unfavorable conditions, even your enemies, will come to help you for particular moment to be a successful in your that vision page. You must always be committed to what you have to achieve to your future career. Thank you very much.